Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rotary toolkits that are available on the market for their true quality and value. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for the perfect tool for your projects, we've got you covered. You can find all the product links in the description below. So let's dive in and see which rotary toolkit is the best fit for you. At number 5, we have the Ganelson Cordless Rotary Tool. This is the budget option on our list, and it's priced at just $15.99, making it an excellent choice for beginners or those who only need a tool for light crafting projects. It comes with 64 accessories and offers 5 adjustable speeds, ranging from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM. The USB-C charging is a standout feature, allowing for convenient recharging, and the tool can run continuously for up to 240 minutes. In terms of design, the Ganelson rotary tool is compact and lightweight, weighing only 4.8 ounces. It's ergonomically designed and feels comfortable in hand, which is great for precision work like engraving and etching. The LED light near the tool head is a thoughtful touch, illuminating your workspace to reduce shadows during detailed tasks. However, this tool isn't built for heavy-duty projects. Its motor lacks the power needed for tasks like cutting thick metal or high-intensity polishing. That said, for small DIY projects like sanding, polishing, and carving, it does the job well. If you're on a budget or just starting out with rotary tools, the Ganelson is a solid entry-level choice. Pros: affordable, lightweight, and portable. Cons: limited power and not suitable for heavy-duty tasks. Coming in at number 4 is the Visloone Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit. This is the premium option on our list, priced at $43.99, and it packs a punch with its 6-speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM. It's equipped with 138 accessories, making it versatile enough for a variety of tasks like sanding, polishing, cutting, and engraving. The USB charging feature and 200-minute runtime make it convenient for extended use without being tethered to a power outlet. The Visloone rotary tool stands out with its ergonomic design and anti-slip grip, ensuring comfort during longer projects. It's compact and lightweight, resembling the feel of a pen, which is ideal for intricate and delicate work. The build quality is excellent, and the tool feels durable despite its small size. This model is perfect for resin crafts, jewelry making, and similar fine detail projects. While it's a versatile and high-performing tool, it's not designed for heavy-duty tasks like cutting thick metal or grinding tough materials. Its price point may also be a bit steep for casual users. Still, if you're a serious DIY enthusiast or hobbyist looking for a premium cordless rotary tool, the Visloone is a fantastic choice. Pros: versatile, ergonomic, and high quality. Cons: expensive and not suitable for heavy-duty use. At number 3, we have the Phalanx 180-watt rotary toolkit. This corded rotary tool is priced at $39.99 and features a powerful 180-watt motor with 6 variable speeds ranging from 8,000 to 32,000 RPM. It comes with 139 accessories, including a flex shaft for precision work, making it a versatile option for a range of tasks from cutting and sanding to engraving and polishing. The build quality of the Phalanx tool is impressive, with a robust design that feels durable. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, and the included flex shaft is a game changer for intricate projects. The tool also features good ventilation to prevent overheating, which is a thoughtful addition for prolonged use. However, its corded design does limit mobility, so it's better suited for workshop use. The Phalanx offers excellent value for its price, balancing power and versatility. It's ideal for users who need a reliable tool for both heavy-duty and detailed tasks. The only drawbacks are its weight and the need to tighten the chuck with a spanner, which can be slightly inconvenient. Pros: powerful motor, versatile accessories, and great for heavy-duty tasks. Cons: relatively heavy and less portable due to the cord. In second place, we have the WEN 23190 Rotary Tool Kit. Priced at $35.03, this corded tool boasts a 1.3 amp motor with variable speeds, from 8,000 to 35,000 RPM, making it one of the fastest options on our list. It comes with an impressive 190-piece accessory kit and features a removable, steady grip handle for added precision and control. The Wen rotary tool is lightweight and compact, weighing just 1.3 pounds. Its ergonomic design, coupled with the steady grip handle, makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. The included flex shaft is excellent for intricate work, and the wide range of accessories ensures you'll never run out of options for your projects. The carrying case is also a nice touch, keeping everything organized and portable. This tool is perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike, offering great performance for tasks like engraving, cutting, and polishing. However, its corded design may not suit those looking for maximum mobility. Additionally, the motor can get a little warm during extended use. Pros: high speed, extensive accessory kit, and precision handle. Cons: corded design and potential heat buildup during long sessions. Finally, at number 1, we have the Gaussawi Rotary Toolkit. Priced at $35.99, this corded tool strikes the perfect balance between performance, versatility, and affordability. It features a 130-watt motor with variable speeds ranging from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. And it includes 140 accessories, such as a flex shaft, drill locator, and diamond cutting wheel, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The Gaussawi rotary tool is well designed with a compact and lightweight build that's easy to handle. The Multi-Pro keyless chuck allows for quick and easy accessory changes, which is a major time saver during projects. The included carrying case is durable and keeps everything organized, making this tool portable and convenient. This tool is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable and versatile rotary tool. It performs exceptionally well for tasks like engraving, sanding, and cutting, and its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. The only minor downside is that the keyless chuck requires a spanner for proper tightening. Pros: versatile, powerful, and excellent accessory kit. Cons: keyless chuck setup can be a bit cumbersome. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right rotary toolkit for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews like this. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.